Welcome to the Unforgettable CAS trip to Sri Lanka with TISB. Our adventures began in the lush tea estates where students got a hands-on experience of plucking tea leaves alongside local workers. We delved into the art of tea making, exploring every step at a traditional tea factory. We visited a unique paper making unit where elephant dung is transformed into beautiful handmade paper. It was a lesson in sustainability and creativity. Our creativity soared high as we painted vibrant Sri Lankan masks, each stroke telling a story of tradition and culture. Then, at a Candian dance school, students stepped into the rhythm of Sri Lanka's classical dance forms, guided by local artisans. The thrill did not stop there. We geared up for an exhilarating whitewater rafting adventure, navigating the rapids with team spirit and courage. And through a fun treasure hunt, we discovered the rich history of the Golf Fort, unearthing secrets from the past. In the heart of nature, we tried our hands at organic farming. Picking fresh vegetables and cooking our own delicious Sri Lankan lunch. But it wasn't all play. We gave back to the community by revamping a local school near the Singharaja rainforest and repainting boats for the local fishermen, embodying the true spirit of service. It was a journey of discovery, learning, and giving back. A truly enriching experience for everyone involved. All of this was made possible with Happymiles, creating memories for a lifetime.